but I could tell she was coming from a mile away. More than a mile, 1,000 miles. I woke up that morning with a taste in my mouth I hadn't felt in years.
I'm trying to move, see if we can keep still. Yes. Great. So is it too rigid here at the waist?
How do you feel? Do you feel okay?
I do love how bold it is. Whole new you.
I cast it out my mind, but as the day went on, the taste left my mouth and travelled to that space behind my eyes where it settled and turned thick. By the time the late flights from LAX to Heathrow were coming in for their landing, I felt as if a secret twin had grown in my skull. It was calling, shouting, screaming, telling me it was coming. She was coming.